Hello folks, ChatGPT recently released their API and I want to show you quickly how to get access and start experimenting. All you'll need is a Python environment and free access with OpenAI. Let's get started. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use Google Colab, and first we will install OpenAI's module. After this, you'll need to log into your OpenAI account to generate and copy the AI key. For this purpose, you'll need to visit the following websites. I'll leave a copy of it in the description of the video. Back to Colab, and as our next point, we have to set up the API connector, and first we import the OpenAI module and the operational system. Then we insert the OpenAI key in this fashion, as you can see here, and then we set up the completion object that uses the 3.5 turbo model. The messages attribute is the main input here, where we play the user role, and the content is the initial request you want to make, similarly as in the original ChatGPT application. For our example, we're going to ask ChatGPT to write us a short haiku. There we go. These are the bare bones of the setup, and from here you can expand further. Here I will show you the system role. The system role lets you define the behavior of the assistant. To do this, we will need to create an object called messages, where I will ask the system to behave as a Tesla car salesperson. We can set up content separately as an input object where we are the user, which will allow us to interact with the system assistant. In the messages, we append our requests, and later we also append the system responses. Now let's run the code. Here is the input. As you can see, we only receive one response. The chat function does not let us continue the conversation and ask more questions, so let's add a while loop. I will run the code. And now we get to interact with the system. There you go. The applications of ChatGPT are limitless. You can integrate it with your own application or website. But you should be aware that OpenAI provides you with a certain amount of free credit to use, but each request results in a very small deduction. To build on top of the examples that I provided you here, you can leverage the documentation by OpenAI. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.